Right, going further with this mini rebuild, should we call it. Here's a couple of things a few little tricks I've learned. For example, these are tricks that I've taught myself. For example, if you want to clean the injector seats, here's a little trick you can do. If you get a bit of pipe, I think that's a 10mm in there, no it's a 6mm, 6mm, put some tissue, will it focus? Try to get to focus, yeah, put some tissue in the end. It's a bit crap doing it one-handed, but I will try. Get some tissue here. It's a bit too much. Get it so it just sits in there like so. Then get the remaining bit of tissue, wrap it round like so. Now shoot some carb cleaner down there, or brake cleaner. You can let it set overnight if you want. Now it's not as good as cutting the seats, but if you're not brave enough to do that, I'm not brave enough to do that, especially if the head's on, you don't want metal shavels falling in. And you just do this, you twirl it round and round and round. Then you get the tissue stuck. Didn't last time, you need to use a bigger piece of tissue. Looks better than what it was. Tell you what, let me wrap this around properly. Right, let's start. We're going to wrap it around properly. You can even put some tape on it so the tissue doesn't get stuck down there. You can just twirl it round and round and round. Look at that. Let's clean that. Do the next one. And doing this method, I've never really had a problem. And sometimes you might have to go over once or twice. Gentle pressure as well, gentle pressure. And the last one. Look at that gunk coming off there. And that, forget my torch. Got a torch now. Look at that, it's quite clean in there. That one could use a bit more. That one, a little bit more on that one. Look at that, that's proper clean, that. So there's a little tip for you. So we'll carry on with this build. Just make the video a bit longer. I just want to check something now. I've left some oil in the bolt holes. obviously I'm going to extract that, so I'm just going to take a quick check here, make sure there's no cracks in the lower block. Doesn't appear to be. No, that's fine, because it was cylinder 6 which went boom. Now I know you'll be clever to see, but there is damage on that piston, but that's fine. It's the outside of the combustion area. As long as it's on the outside, you'll be okay. I mean, I can always swap it out, but I'm not too fussed. Yeah, so. Oh, I've also emptied the coolant out of the coolant jacket, and what I ideally want to do is fill those up with some coolant flush and try and eat away at that horrible oxidation stroke rust. I mean, it's not a great problem. It's quite normal for it to do that, but just be nice while it's off, why not? Get it all cleaned up. And another thing I need to replace is the tensioner, because that's a bit wobbly. So, head gasket, new bolts, tensioner, injector, copper ring seals, and then we're pretty much good to go. Obviously after timing it up. So I'll see you on the next one.